I've got the broom here, so let's unpack it and assemble it. You can see here's the main brush part. There. And it comes with the handle. So it's pretty obvious which one is the top and which one is the bottom there. So let's assemble it now. So to do that, I'll show you in here. They just screw. They're threaded there. So you just screw it in. So like obviously this one here is the top. And then if you notice here, this has like a comfort handle on it. So I'm assuming this goes here. Assuming this orange piece on here screws in the actual broom, so I'm going to do that. And then there's only one left. So it's pretty obvious where this goes to. Okay, so now I'm going to screw this part in. Okay, there's that. So you can see that took like 25 seconds and it's done. So here's the broom. You can see it's got a large head on it there. Like these bristles are pretty stiff. It's nice. Again, it has this pad here for where your hands are going to go. If you need to make it shorter, I think you could just like leave one of these out. So it can be shorter if you need it. So now let's take it outside and use it. I've got it outside now, so this will be nice to keep leaves and grass and stuff off my porch.